Hi, welcome to Kitchen Revelations. Today I've come up with another healthy and nutritious recipe made from red poha or brown rice flakes. In another recipe made from red poha, I had explained in detail about the health benefits. These rice flakes are helpful in controlling your blood sugar level. They keep you full for longer and thus help in weight loss. It is rich in calcium, magnesium and full of fiber. Now since you know the health benefits, let's quickly start with the recipe. First, I'm going to make a simple spice mix. For that, I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon cumin or jeera into a mixer grinder. Then add 2 to 3 pods of cardamom or elaichi. To ground these spices into fine powder, I'm going to add just 1 teaspoon of sugar. Next, to balance the flavors, I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. Blend the spices and keep them aside. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe for more healthy recipes and also click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Next, I'm going to take a mixing bowl. Into this bowl, add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut. Next, in that same measuring cup, I'm going to take 1 cup palm jaggery. You can also use normal jaggery, but palm jaggery has more health and medicinal benefits. Next, add the spice mix which was prepared earlier. Now using a spoon, mash and mix everything well. Once you've finished mashing, add raw red rice flakes into this mixture. They have not been soaked in water. They are just plain raw red rice flakes. 2 cups. Using your hands, mix really well. The juices from the coconut, jaggery and the spices should be enough to make the poha or the rice flakes soggy. Still, if you feel that the rice flakes need to be more tender, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm water. You can also add warm milk instead of water. To make it more nutritious, you can also add dry fruits or fresh fruits of your choice. So now keep these rice flakes covered for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes are over and our rice flakes have become very tender, sweet and moist. You can consume them immediately. They're normally had with bananas. It is a tea time snack, but you can also have it for your breakfast as it can be made quickly. Hope you like this healthy and nutritious recipe. Please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.